How do you make bottle cap coasters using crown caps? Imagine turning something you usually toss away into a fun, useful item for your home. That's exactly what making bottle cap coasters is all about. It's a simple way to recycle and add a personal touch to your decor. Let's walk through the steps to create your own eco-friendly coasters using crown caps. First, gather your materials. You will need about 9 to 10 crown bottle caps for each coaster. Pick caps with colors or logos you like. You also need a sturdy base like a piece of wood, cork, or chipboard. A base size of 4 inches by 4.5 inches works well. Strong glue, such as hot glue or tacky glue, is essential for attaching the caps. For a glossy, durable finish, you can also use clear epoxy resin or a sealant. Next, prepare your base. If you choose wood, cut it into a 4-inch square. You can carve a shallow recess into the wood to make the caps sit flush. For cork or chipboard, glue multiple layers together to add thickness, then trim to size. Tartlet tins can be used as a frame if you want a more decorative look. Now, plan your design. Lay out the crown caps on the base in a pattern you like. Popular choices include a 3x3 grid or a triangle arrangement. Take a photo or make a mental note of your layout so you can replicate it easily when gluing. Once your pattern is set, attach the caps. Apply glue inside the rim of each crown cap. Press each one firmly onto the base, holding it for a few seconds until the glue sets. Be sure to keep the caps aligned and evenly spaced for a professional look. After all caps are glued down, check the edges. If you used layered cork or chipboard, trim any excess material with scissors or a craft knife for a clean finish. Now, to make your coaster last longer and look more polished, you can seal the entire surface with a thin layer of clear epoxy resin. Pour the resin carefully over the caps, making sure to cover all edges. If needed, do a second layer after the first one cures partially. Cover the coaster while the resin dries to keep dust away. Allow the resin or glue to cure fully, which can take from 24 to 48 hours. Once everything is dry, your coaster is ready to use. The resin layer protects the caps from moisture and scratches, while also making the surface smooth and shiny. You can customize your coasters further by experimenting with color patterns or themes. For example, use caps from different beer brands or in matching colors for a coordinated look. Using scrap wood or leftover cork keeps the project sustainable and budget-friendly. Remember to handle the caps carefully. Bending any sharp edges inward with pliers makes them safer to handle. Making these coasters is a fun way to recycle metal caps and create unique, practical home accessories. Each one becomes a conversation piece and a reminder of your eco-friendly efforts.